What if you could sit in on a business meeting where every voice in the room was an AI, a CFO agent, a marketing agent, a skeptic agent, arguing out an idea in real time? In a Discord channel without you writing a single message, today I'm showing you exactly how to build that. Multiple AI agents, deployed as real Discord bots, holding a back and forth conversation to stress test ideas. This is the dev walkthrough: setup, logic, and deployment. Here's the problem this solves. Idea validation is usually a bottleneck. Getting real structured pushback means scheduling meetings and hoping someone plays devil's advocate. A multi-agent Discord meeting removes that bottleneck. You define the roles once: the optimist, the numbers person, the skeptic, and they debate it out loud in minutes. This isn't a novelty. It's a way to rehearse a decision before you make it with real money on the line. And because it's on Discord, it's a channel you can drop teammates into. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact architecture to build this yourself, end to end. Before we touch code, here's the shape of the whole system. There are 4 pieces. First, the Discord layer, one application with multiple bot users. Second, the repo, the code base for bot logic and personas. Third, the language model layer, the API or local model that generates the responses. Fourth, the deployment layer, Railway, which keeps this running continuously even when your machine is off. The part that makes this feel like a real meeting is the orchestration logic, the rules for turn taking and deciding when the conversation is finished. Head to the Discord developer portal and create a new application. This is the container. Inside, you'll create one bot user per agent persona. For each bot, click Add Bot and give it a name like CFO Agent or Skeptic Agent. Grab the bot token, treat it like a password, put it in an environment variable. Under Privileged Gateway Intents, enable Message Content Intent. Without this, your bot can see that a message was sent but not read what it actually says. Then head to O-Auth2, U-R-L generator. Select the bot scope and permissions like send messages and read message history. Generate your link and authorize. Once every bot shows up in your server, the Discord side is done. Now we build the brain. Here's the repo layout: a main entry file, a folder for agent definitions, one for orchestration logic, and an environment file for your tokens. Each agent file is simple. It's a name, a system prompt, and a token reference. A well-written system prompt does more than any amount of extra code. Push this structure to a GitHub repo now. Railway is going to deploy straight from this repo, so having it connected early makes every step faster. This is the part that makes it feel like a meeting instead of bots talking past each other. The core loop starts when a new topic gets posted. The orchestrator picks the first agent, sends the topic to the model, and posts the result. Then the next agent's turn includes the full transcript of what's been said. That's what makes Agent 2 actually respond to Agent 1. Every agent is reading the room, not just the original prompt. You'll want a turn order. Round robin is simplest. A small delay between turns keeps it from looking like a wall of text and makes it read like a real back and forth. You also need a stopping condition. The simplest approach is a fixed number of turns, with a final wrap-up turn where one agent summarizes where the group landed. Decide what triggers a new meeting. The cleanest version listens for a specific command, like new topic. That's your signal to reset and kick off a fresh round. Your orchestrator needs one function that every agent calls. Take a system prompt and a conversation history, then return the generated text. One thing to be deliberate about is rate limiting. Build in a basic queue or delay so you're not hammering your API or hardware harder than it can handle. Now we make this live. In Railway, create a new project and choose Deploy from GitHub repo. Railway will detect your project type automatically. Head to the Variables tab and add every environment variable your bots need. This is exactly why we never hard-coded those tokens earlier. Trigger a deploy and watch the logs. Once it's live, your bots should show as online in Discord, and dropping a topic should kick the whole loop into motion. From here, Railway keeps this running around the clock. Push a code change to your repo and Railway automatically redeploys. Improvements are just a git push away. That's the entire system. Discord bots for personas, a repo for clean logic, and Railway keeping it all alive without your laptop running. The real value isn't the novelty. It's having a standing panel you can throw any decision at: CFO, skeptic, optimist, anytime you need a gut check. If you build your own, drop your agent roster in the comments. Subscribe for the next build in this series, and I'll see you in the next one.